My name is Manjula Bai Bhadrashetty, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government First Grade College, Kargi, District Kalburgi. Today my session is on email. Email is nothing but it is an electronic mail. It is a process of sending and receiving the messages and files from one place to another place. So we can send any data or message or a letter from one place to another place. That process is called as an email. So email is made up of two things. One is user ID and another is a domain name. The user ID is given by the any user. It's on their interest, and the Gmail ID is a domain name. So here some of the domain names are there. There is .com, .edu, .gov, .mil, .net, .org. .com means it's a communication domain name, and .edu is a education domain name, .gov is a government domain name, .mil is a military, .net is a network domain name, .org is a organization domain name. So for these we are having many email services provider also present here. For example, Google is one of the famous service provider, and other service providers are the Yahoo, Hotmail and Outlook and the MSN. So in different competitive exam, they will ask the different questions on these things, like which is the user ID and which is the domain name, and what is the full form of .com and .edu, like this. So next we will go to the parts of email. What are the parts that present in email? See here, the compose is there, inbox is there, sent mail, draft, trash, start and spam. See here, compose is, we are using this one to send a letter to any person, and that time we will go to the compose and we will send the letter. And inbox, the letters which are received by the user or received by us, those all letters will be present in inbox. Sent mail, the letters which are sent by us, the letters which are sent by us or user, with those all are letter present in the sent mail. In draft, the letters which are saved, those all letters will be present in draft. The trash, it will contains all the deleted letters. And in start, the important letters which are given with the help of star mark, those all letters will be present in the start. And the spam, this will contains the letters which are unwanted letters, or we can say that it is a junk letters, or some of the advertisement will appear which are not used so much. Those letters will be present in the spam. Next, here when we are click on the compose, so all these will be appears. See here, to means what? To whom we are sending the letter. So in this we are writing that to whom we are sending the letter, that is address here. And the CC is nothing but the carbon copy. BCC is nothing but that is a blind carbon copy. So what is the difference between the carbon copy and blind carbon copy? The carbon copy, when we are sending a letter to other person, that all the persons will be know that to whom we are sending the letter. In blind carbon copy, the other person does not know that to whom we are sending the letter. Next, the subject is there. For example, when we are sending a letter to other person, we will write some of the subject on in this place, like when we are sending the biodata, then we have to write biodata, or when we are sending a question paper, like then we have write the matter of the subject in front of this. Attachment, so whatever the attachment which are present in our files, like in MS Word, PowerPoint, so all files will be attached with the help of attachment. Then insert link, for example, if you want to link any website, then we have to insert here. Then last is to send the letter. When we will click on the send, automatically our letter will be sent to the other person. So these all are the things that is very important. From this we are make a 20 or 25 questions. These are questions will be appears in any competitive exam like SDC, FDC. They will ask the questions like what is the difference between the CC and BCC, and what the purpose for we are using the attachment, and what is the use of spam. So what is the use of thrash. So like this they will ask the questions. So like this I will complete my session. Thank you very much.